Learning Box: How to deliver video content. You can deliver video content through Learning Box. This function will help you create online lecture courses or visual guides to launch new products. Now, let's see how to create the content. On the dashboard, click on Contents. Create a course from the plus button if necessary. Click on the course you've created, and click on the plus button. Select Content, and if you want to embed video, click here. Enter a title. Then, open the YouTube video you want to embed to this content. Click on the Share button and select Embed. Click the code, right-click and copy it. Go back to Learning Box, right-click, paste the embed code and save it. Now, you see the content you've just created. Let's play the video. Looks great. Next, let's add video and slides. This function allows users to read some indications or descriptions while watching a video. Users can change the size of each screen or watch a video only. Timeline will show the upcoming slides like this. Let's move on to the settings. Click on the plus button and select Content. Go to Video, then click here. If you can't see the button, change the generator version. Go to Environment Settings and select Manage Generator Version. Scroll down to the movie. To use this video function, Movie 3.0.0 or higher is required, so tick the appropriate version and save it. Let's go back to the video content. This is the creation form. Enter a title and choose a video that you want to add from this button. The video has been added. If you also want to add slides, click the Slide tab. Choose the file from this button. 3 files were added as an example. You can arrange the order with drag and drop. Now, go back to the Media tab and add timelines. This allows you to set when and how long to display each slide. Click on this blue button. For video time, set 0 for the very first slide. If you leave the timeline name blank, the original file name will be set. Select the first slide you want to add, and then click on Add. Likewise, add some more slides if you want. For the second slide, I'll enter 2 here. This means it will be displayed after 2 seconds from the beginning of the video. 3 slides were added here. Now, let's preview. Great! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.